lunch? Well, you might get a little bit to the right. There's
Trash bags in the back.
Come closer.
perfect.
Closer.
All right. Now, what is your guys' name and how long have you been trading?
Ladies first.
Well, me and I have traded for about 3 to 6 months.
My name is Chris, and I started trading about a year ago.
Awesome. What did you guys think about the event?
Great. Right.
I think it was great as well. I really liked it. So when I first started trading, I had other mentors that I purchased some courses from, and they taught me like very basic fundamentals, but I still didn't understand fundamentals completely. And so when I went to this PTS mentorship, what it did was elevate my understanding and knowledge of trading overall, helped me increase and refine my fundamentals, and on top of that, it taught me some advanced tactics that made me realize that my trading plan is inferior, and to add certain things, take away certain things, and refine it, and create a special plan that's fine-tuned specifically for me. So.
Awesome. And in your opinion, what was your guys' greatest takeaway from the whole event?
Oh, well, I think I have learned money management and have a small stop loss and yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys.
Like her, I also learned risk management. One other thing that I learned too is to have a simplicity in your trading plan, a simplicity in the way you execute things, and to keep things as simple as possible without trying to add too many variables into it and then confusing yourself, because at the end of the day, trading is simple, the mind isn't, and that's what I learned today. It's more complex than the patterns of trading itself. It's psychological just as much as it is technical.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys. That was awesome.